Hello everyone, my name is Musayev Alisa. I am the first year ADA University student. My CRN is 1041-8 and today I will show you how to solve hard problem 487. The problem says find the derivative of this equation, which is arc cosinus x divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. So let's use u and v for this problem. Let's use u for arc cosinus x and v for the square root of 1 minus x squared. So we can look at the problem as u divided by v, and the derivative rule, the quotient rule for this is u derivative of u multiplied by v minus u multiplied by v derivative divided by v squared. So let's look at what is the derivative of u and the derivative of v. So the derivative of arc cosinus x is minus 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. For v, we should use the chain rule to find the derivative. And what is the chain rule? So first we should find the derivative of the whole equation, then multiply it by the derivative of equation inside. So first we should find the derivative of square root of 1 minus x squared and multiply it to the derivative of 1 minus x squared. So the derivative of this is 1 divided by 2 square root of 1 minus x squared, and the derivative of this one is minus 2x. So our 2 becomes here and minus 1 gives us this. So then we have to multiply these both equations and we get this. We can divide 2 from the both sides and we get minus x divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared. So let's now we have u, v, u, derivative of u and derivative of v. So let's write all of this together in this form. So first, derivative of u, which is this one, we write it here. We multiply it by v, which is this one, we write it here. Then minus u, which is arc cosinus x, multiplied by the derivative of v, which is we found it's here, and divide all of this by v squared, which is square root of 1 minus x squared. We can get rid of these things and we have divided by 1 minus x squared. Then we can get rid of this one and we have minus 1 here. So we can turn it to the plus because minus multiplied by minus gives us plus. So we write it here. Then we should multiply these both equations and we get arc cosinus x multiplied by x divided by square root of 1 minus x squared, which is we write here. And all of this divided by 1 minus x squared. Then we should move this one to the bottom, and for this we should multiply minus 1 by this thing. And it gives us minus square root of 1 minus x squared plus arc cosinus x multiplied by x. So it goes here, and divide all of this by the multiplication of these both equations. So we have it here. And we solved our problem. The derivative of our equation gives us minus square root of 1 minus x squared plus r cosinus x multiplied by x divided by square root of 1 minus x squared multiplied by 1 minus x squared. Thank you for listening.